The 2024 BMW M8 incorporates some confusing specifications. It's as heavy as a Ford F-150, it's quicker to 60 miles per hour than a Ferrari F8 Tributo, it rips through the quarter-mile in the very same time as a Chevrolet Corvette Z06, as well as it does every one of this with a rear and also an implacable deluxe poise those others don't possess. Undoubtedly, the rear seats isn't practical for mature human beings. However, the M8's comforting cabin is one of the very best places to experience what bodacious power shipment and all-wheel drive traction can attain with each other. Offered as either a coupe or exchangeable, the four-door M8 grandmother sports car sedan is assessed individually. The M8 stands for the type of thoroughly qualified high-end GT we're much more utilized to seeing with an Aston Martin or Bentley badge and a much heftier price. We'd suggest the convertible. You won't lose at any time at the track unless you hold a gold-level Fiat racing permit, and you can put the top down on the way to as well as from the circuit. Both body styles come common with various luxuries, so we would certainly select alternatives that aid open the M8's full performance capacity. These include the M carbon ceramic brakes, which BMW says decrease weight as well as are constructed to much better hold up against track misuse. We would certainly add the M chauffeurs bundle that marshals the auto's awesome power at the limit and consists of some day of performance driving institution. Even much better, the bundle increases the top speed from 155 to 189 miles per hour. We would certainly also get the driving aid professional plan as well as the neck warmers for more comfy driving at daily speeds as well as in all sorts of weather condition. The M8's lengthy nose hides a twin turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 that makes 617 horsepower as well as 553 pound-feet of torque. It sends out that power via an excellent 8-speed automated as well as onto a rear-biased all-wheel drive system that can disengage power to the front axle. After time spent in both the sports car as well as convertible, our only frustration concerning the powertrain is the limp exhaust note. When we strapped our examination gear to the 4,251-pound M8 competitor's coupe, we were blown away by its ridiculously quick velocity, reaching 60 miles per hour in simply 2.5 seconds. Such eruptive hustle should have an amorous song from the quad exhaust pipes. Little weak points arise when pushing the M8, like very little comments via the thick steering wheel as well as a rather far-off brake pedal feeling. That claimed, those faults don't outweigh the substantial grasp, compliant trip, and also unbelievable nimbleness of a two-door evaluating greater than 2 ton.